In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage issues and punch lists in Stack. We'll walk through opening your project, creating clear issues with the right details, and keeping everything moving by updating status as work progresses. This process keeps your team aligned and your punch list under control. Start by signing into Stack Build and opening the project you want to work on from your project list. Make sure your account has permission to create and edit issues. If you don't see the option to add an issue later, it usually means you need additional access from your project admin. Inside the project, head to the Issues area. Here you'll see all existing items in a simple list, along with their status, priority, who they're assigned to, and due dates. This view gives you a quick sense of workload and what needs attention first. To create a new issue, click the Add Issue or Create New button. Give the issue a short, specific title so it's easy to scan later, for example, cracked tile in Unit 204. In the description, spell out what's wrong and exactly where to find it. Include location details like unit, room, floor, elevation, or grid line, and any measurements that matter. If your project uses categories or types, choose the one that matches so reporting stays organized. Set a priority that reflects urgency, low, medium, or high, and assign the issue to the right person or trade responsible for the fix. Add a due date to set expectations and keep the schedule visible. Attach photos or other files. Clear images are essential for context and reduce back and forth. When everything looks good, save the issue. A quick best practice: keep one issue to one problem. Don't bundle multiple items. It makes accountability, tracking, and closeout much cleaner. As work progresses, manage the issue's status so everyone knows the current state. A common flow is open when the issue is logged. In progress when work begins, ready for review. When the fix is complete and needs verification, and closed once it's confirmed. Update the status each time the issue moves forward. That real-time visibility helps the field, the office, and subcontractors stay in sync and focus on what's next. With these steps, you can capture problems clearly, assign them to the right people, and close them out with confidence. Thanks for watching, and keep your punch list tight by keeping your issues accurate and up to date.